home to a big bag. I'm a big boss and you big mad. Fuck around and die by my respect. Got blood all on my Christians from all my oppositions. Fuck all my oppositions.
What's good, queens? So welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Emmy, and since you're here, you might as well just click subscribe right down there and hit that bell so you can get all the notifications of when I post a new video. So today I'm doing this beautiful look. It's my first look of 2019, so I'm not gonna take too much time blabbering or whatever. I'm just gonna get straight into the video, and if you want to see how I created this look, my first look of 2019, just continue watching.